Oh,
you don't want to do the belly crawl, it's okay. There's a way out of here that's not the belly crawl.
wait, is anyone doing the couch? Yes.
All right. Now. Hold up, whoa, 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 not too fast. Not too fast. We gotta do this slowly because there's no footholds. Hold up. Let me get out of your way. Because I got to spot you coming down. Hold up. All right. Now, take your time coming down. You got to use your arms to lower yourself. There's no real footholds. Okay? So take your time. That's it. Just like this. There, you put your foot there. There you go. And then you step on the floor. Was that tough?
A little.
A little? It was a piece of cake.
No, it's not.
You did it.
Bro, be careful now. Like, you gotta be super duper careful.
You did so good. All right, who's next? Okay, you're going to go through a couple of small rooms till you get to a bigger room. Wait for your buddy to come through. Somebody coming down?
I'm coming.
All right. Take your time.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm good.
You got to lower yourself with your arms. There's no real footholds.
I got it. My knees.
There you go. Both legs down. You got to dangle your legs because there's no place to put them. That's it.
I'm gonna wait over here, okay?
Use your arms to lower yourself.
Sir, I'm gonna wait over here.
This one. There. And now you can step down on the floor.
All right.
There you go. Perfect.
Nice.
Y'all
coming?
Going that way.
Okay.
Oh my God, am I taking
Face
these
first?
dirty hands?
Yeah, I go face first. Unless you want to go foot first. I just got to watch these guys coming down next.
Are we able to go down?
Leg is stuck in there.
Yeah, it's tight in here. Hold up a second.
Okay, I thought you said yeah.
There you go. Okay, next. Take your time coming down. Use your arms. There's not many footholds. Just use your arms to lower yourself down. There's no footholds. Bring this one down all the way. Now lower yourself. Lower yourself more. A little more. Let go of this knee here. There. There. And down.
Oh, my arm's stuck.
Don't leave your arm up there.
I can't
They
see.
went that way. Easy, huh?
Is my light on?
No.
I was like wondering why it was so dark.
There, yeah, that's why it's so dark. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, hold up. You don't want to step on her.
Please don't.
I'm stepping on my face.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm coming.
Come on down slowly. Use your arms. Use your arms. There. Okay, now step down to the floor. Okay. And they went down that way. Easy, huh? Piece of cake.
It's been really 30 minutes.
Hold up. Wait till he's gone.
Might be stuck.
Okay, now use your arms and lower yourself down. Use your arms. Okay. Hold up. Come on down. Slide down. Oh, there we go. Your foot's on something that you can step on. Okay, now step down to the floor. Okay.
Oh my God.
That wasn't bad.
Scary.
A little bit. But you did it.
Yeah, thanks.
No problem. They went that way.
I'm gonna have to leave this side, aren't I? Yo, here.
Anybody else going through this small little hole?
Wait, hold on. This is.
Okay, next.
Oh, y'all laughing at me?
Take your time coming down. Use your arms. There's no footholds. Use your arms and lower yourself down. There, you can put your foot there. Now step on the floor. There you go. You got it. All right, it went that way.
Hold on. Alright, drop it down. Got it.
Very good.
This was Army crawling the whole time?
No, not the whole time. This is pretty easy. You got to go through a couple of big rooms. Or bigger rooms. Okay, take your time. Use your arms.
Hold on, where did everybody go?
If you want to wait for somebody to go with you, you can do that. Okay, right there. Now, this one goes on the floor, okay? There you go. You're all set. And head down that way.
Oh shit, sharp things in here.
Okay, use your arms. There's no footholds. Bring this foot down. This one here, bring it down. There. Okay. Now this one here, come down all the way down to the floor. But hold on with your arms here. There you go. Perfect. Awesome. It went that way. You can go feet first and then slide down. You can turn around and down there.
I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, hold up a second. Don't come down just yet. All right, you can come on down. Okay, use your arms. Don't worry. You can't use your feet. They're like right here. That one's good.
Yep.
Now this one here down to the floor.
Where's the food?
There you go. You got it.
Cheers, mate.
Fun, huh?
Yeah.
They went that way.
Oh my god. Do I go front or side?
I usually go down with my feet and then turn around and then go head first after that.
Got you.
Alright, can you direct us to that one? I'm going to sing it. Let's go. I think I put I'm going to end up like one.
My feet are asleep.
So now, go through that.
Awesome.
Allen!
Yo!
You going down that hole or you coming with us to the other side?
I'm going to be coming down with you there.
Where you at?
Where am I?
Down the hole. So you stand down there with them and then Ray is up here.
Do you want to climb down here or?
No.
I'm sorry, what?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm going to go the other way, the other option.
Okay.
Which I'm happy to lead unless you're coming back up and leaving.
Let me think. What am I doing here? What do I want to do with these guys? There's a way down there that's not down through this chimney. Do you want to try that?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, which one is easier, the hole or that one?
They're both. You know, the other one probably is less risky.
Okay, cool.
Let me just catch my breath for a second here. All right. Okay. I'm gonna get.
How do you think you spell my name?
All right. Hi. Can you help me?
I got you.
No. I'm just messing with you.
Okay.
Okay. If
Are you recording this?
I think so. We'll find out when I get home and download it.
What you supposed to do?
If you go behind me,
Wait, you put your names like in the Bible?
huh?
No.
If behind me there's a passageway, a small passageway. Do you see it?
Oh, what?
Are you guys listening to Alan? He's asking you a question.
This way?
No, behind me.
That way? That way? Right here?
That way.
Okay. Yeah,
There's a
you said-
passageway.
Yep.
If you follow that and it slopes down.
Okay, cool.
And I'll shine my light from down here where you're going to slide in.
Okay.
All right? And that way, that's your little exploration there too, on your own.
Cool.
Unless you want to come down here.
No. Anybody, last chance to go down here before we go down there. So if y'all want to go down here, hurry up. Go once, go twice. All right, bye.
Alright, tonight you're gonna leave.
Are you coming down?
Nope.
Okay, well then go through that passage.
Tonight I'm gonna lead at my phone tonight. And then tonight I just look for that light.
That looks like an end. That's the end.
Alright, Liam, you go next.
She said straight, left, or right.
I'm trying to think. I think it's left.
He said he thinks it's left.
It depends on where you are. How do I get mine in my ears?
You can't go this way.
Because I said it's tight, bro, we get stuck. Sanaya, will you wait so that we know how to follow you? Okay, cool. Well, I'm a whisper. I'm a whistle. Keep whistling. I'm coming. Be careful. Wait right here. It's not really that hurry, but be careful. This way, not tight. Come on. Oh, that's why you started. When you come down here, be careful. Please. No problem.
There you are.
Y'all down here.
Yeah.
Hey, he's here.
Oh my God. Whoever kept talking, thank you.
You guys did good.
How did you get lost?
Nobody got lost.
Or how?
Nobody got lost.
We got lost. No, we didn't.
Y'all just kept talking. I'm in trouble.
You got it.
Where did you come down from?
I came in from over there. And they're all over there. Very good.
You can go before me. No. You got that. That's why they said. That's why you said it.
I see light coming from
Oh, no, yeah.
It's down here. You can see him.
There we go, guys. Very good. They're all that way. There we go. You guys are doing so good. Look at this. Very good.
All right.
You the last one?
Last one. Nice. How was it over crawling?
Okay.
Sanaya, thanks for leading us.
What I'd like to do, I'm going to go back up and go around so I can get pictures of them climbing out.
Okay, sounds good. What? Good, just for hanging out of that.
Do you know the way from belly crawl?
From where the normal entrance is.
Okay.
But
If
where
there's
is that?
anybody that doesn't want, it's down here.
Okay.
It's down here to the left. There's a shelf.
Uh-huh.
If there's anybody that does not want to do that, they can go back up with me.
Okay. I thought they already did the belly crawl part.
No.
Like the catacombs?
Yeah.
Oh, they haven't done it yet.
Well, this is all part of the catacombs. But
Okay.
that's the belly crawl where sometimes people get turned around.
Okay. So if they don't want a belly crawl, they'll follow you.
Yeah.
And if they do want a belly crawl,
They follow you?
They'll follow me through the catacombs.
You like how I volunteered you to do that part?
Yes. Well, last time I just was like following people, then all of a sudden I was like, oh, this must be the catacombs. Here I am on my belly. Okay, oh, sorry. Wait, let me see. So, let's see, are there 14 of you? 13. What? I thought we were supposed to have 14.
Tied.
And Tay is 14. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to go through another part. Good job, guys. We're going through the tight part.
That was the tight part.
Is this the part that goes to the belly row down this hole?
That's not tight.
This one right here.
That hole.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no.
So there's an option to do some more like belly crawling. Or there's an option to follow Allen out a way that's less belly crawling.
You're going to belly crawl.
I'm going belly crawling.
And then what way does that go?
And that will put us out as near where Tay and Evan are, and then Allen will meet us there too. So who wants to go the belly crawly way?
I got the one that the place.
Belly crawl, belly crawl, belly crawl, belly crawl.
I want to do belly crawl.
Let me get the other one. Okay. With Allen. So the way with Allen, I don't know what it is.
If you're going to go with me, come back this way, okay? You're going to go with Rhea?
So Ken and one of you, I want to come with me, and one of you, I want you to go with Allen.
I'll go with you.
Yo, I gotta see how it goes first. Hold up. Well, you go. Do you want to go with Allen or with me?
I'm going with Jay, Jamaica,
You go belly crawl.
Rogan.
Go good. Do you want to go belly crawl or with Allen?
Very cool.
With Allen.
Is that okay? Or you can leave belly crawl and I don't really care.
I'll do the
I could lead it and
Alright.
figure it out on the way out.
What do you want to do?
I can eat this.
Okay. If you want to, alright. Kat is gonna go belly crawl way, which is that way.
That's me.
And you and Allen go the other way.
Get out.
Okay.
I mean,
So if you're following Allen,
let me get through that.
if you're following Allen, go now. So James.
There's no one there.
I know that.